Hey family, welcome back to your channel. Today's video is going to be a shop with me at Biglots. Let's go inside and see what they have. I'm on the hunt for some furniture, and this might be the spot. So, first of all, let me just say I'm having to do a voiceover because I'm not sure how to add music. I'm not even sure how to edit. I'm just feeling my way through it. I don't even know if this thing is going to work. Anywho, back to the shop with me. I'm really loving that sectional that you just saw, which went by really quick. And definitely the one that is coming up right here is on my friggin' radar for choices. Actually, Biglots too is really the only place right now that I can get furniture pretty quickly as far as them actually having it available. Then again, I didn't even ask about this particular sectional, so I don't even know if they have it in stock. However, it's on my radar. I like it. I like the size. I like how comfortable it is. And I also love the color. I could definitely make this work in my space. So it's on my radar for right now. And I'm just testing it out, sis. Okay. Just to see how I feel about it. And I'm really feeling it. I'm actually loving a lot of the furniture that I've seen here at Biglots. Honey, I'm not above Biglots furniture. I think it's some pretty decent quality. Now, I don't know if you have small children, how it would hold up, but your girl is single. So, I don't have my grandkids like that, but when I do, they just know how to act on furniture, so I should be good. This one right here was cute as well. My daughter has this one, but I don't want any more dark furniture like that. That's why I got rid of the Big Daddy. So I'm liking the lighter color grays and whatnot. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. But if you're on the hunt for some fairly decent furniture, in my opinion, it's really good furniture. Some of this stuff is from Ashley. Some of this stuff is from Broyhill. So it's the same quality of furniture that you would get from those furniture stores, not sponsored by Biglots whatsoever. I'm just giving you my opinion, sis. I also love this sectional as well. Again, the furniture is not super expensive. So if you don't care like me as far as you're not looking to invest money in furniture because it's just furniture and I don't know, you ain't feeling it. Biglots, in my opinion, is a great place to go. Especially even if you're not just starting out. If you're like me, you're established and you just change up a lot. This is a pretty good place, in my opinion, to come and get furniture. I'm just saying. I'm actually asking this young man right here a question about a bed, which they did not have in a king size or a different color. So the bed part was pretty much a no-go for me. I want to take you over there and show it to you. Hold on for 1 second. Look, like y'all on the phone. Hold on. Okay, so back to the video. I had to make sure that the voiceover was working while I'm editing because all this is new to me and I have no idea what I'm doing. So, did you see the bed? It was the one in the back, the tufted gray one. This mattress comes in a box. So, it's a mattress in a box. And when I tell you this mattress was so soft, like so soft. Probably not ideal for somebody with back problems. So he's just about to show me the bed in the boxes. I was so unaware that Biglots even carried this. I had no clue, brothers and sisters. But they come in all sizes. So, yeah. I'm just checking it out, honey. Let me know what y'all think about the voiceover. Do you prefer music or a voiceover like this, as if I can give you options, because I'm just as confused as I want to be, and y'all just don't know how many editors I've downloaded to play with and try to figure out. Anywho, let's keep going. So look at this. This is a super cute tufted day bed. Is it a day bed? Day bed, yes. With a trundle underneath. Also another great option if you have a small space and you're trying to maximize that space. Look, sis, You ain't trying to do a whole bedroom, right? But you want like a lounge slash bedroom slash spot to host your guests or what have you. This right here is perfect. The actual bed is $3.99. Doesn't come with the mattresses, so they're separate. But I could totally see this in like a room that's split as a guest slash office. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay. So this bookshelf, I have one here in my home. A lot of you asked about it. This is where it's from. Biglots, $89.99, I believe. Okay, here's the little writing desk that is also in that same line with the bookshelf. I think the same people make this little rustic wooden writing desk, which is really, really cute. And I think it's like $100. Here I'm gonna, and as you can see, look at those little user-friendly options up top. But I'm showing you this hammered little stool that I have in my house. This is where I got it from. Not sure what the regular price of that thing is because mine was on sale. But look at all the table dining sets that they have. Fairly priced, in my opinion. Again, I don't know what the quality as far as like those of you that might have families or whatnot. But hey, I just feel like if you take care of your stuff, I don't care how much it costs, it should uphold the test of time. Unless you're just super hard on stuff, you know, I'm just saying. So this little wooden bedroom set is not quite my style, but it's very rustic. I could totally see some rustic glam decor with this piece. I'm just showing it to you for options in case you're on the hunt like me. Again, fairly priced. I'm not sure of the quality as far as how it will uphold. Again, I'm going to keep saying that. So don't say Sharon recommended me to do nothing. I'm just sharing it with you. But I do like it, though. Just not really my style for my space. You definitely mix this up with like mirrored stuff and, you know, the wood look. I could make it work, but that's not what I'm in here for. So I'm not sure if they had a sale going on in here. I didn't even ask. I just wanted to bring y'all on a shop with me and also check some stuff out for myself. Let me show you this little stand right here. This right here could totally act as a TV stand, which it is. Or it could be like a small buffet situation if you like to host and you're spatially challenged and you don't, you know, can't do a great big one. This is a great option for a person that has a smaller space. And what I really like about this is you have to turn the knobs in order to open up the door. So to me, that's kid friendly. So a child couldn't just kind of like walk up and go messing in the cabinets. You have to actually turn the knob like this. Look, turn, pull, close, turn, and then it's locked. Just that simple. So kid friendly to me. I could see this as a buffet and a TV stand. Here's another industrial-ish vibe type of TV stand. And some more cutesy small furniture for smaller spaces. Me personally, I'm just not the person to do no investing in furniture because it's just furniture, honey. And I changed my mind way too much to be spending a ton of money on furniture because I might not like it in 4 or 5 months and it's out the door. I like this table as well. This whole little rustic vibe. Actually, you get 3 pieces. I think the table, coffee table, and the 2 end tables for like $1.99 or $2.99, something like that. I like this table. I could definitely make that fit my style. And then I think this is the last little piece of furniture I'm going to show you in the video. But again, super cute. I sat on this before actually, and it wasn't that bad. Yeah. So here's some decor. Here's a cute little globe for like an office space or just to put on like a side table. $20, much cheaper than we would find at like our home goods type of stores. I do like these little hurricane candle holder or vase filler situations. I'm really, really loving that brassy gold, this particular texture. I'm loving it. And they weren't that expensive either. about what we would spend at our other favorite home decor stores. At the time I'm doing this voiceover, I also can't tell if this thing is going fast, if it's going regular speed. I don't know. I'm learning my way through, y'all. Just be patient with me going forward because I'm trying to figure this thing out. Daughter is really loving this little wooden box, honey. She says something about putting incense or something in it. And this gives me fall vibes, cozy winter. I didn't know the Property Brothers had a line of stuff in Biglots. Did you guys know that? I didn't know. But you know, Sharon is drawn to throws just in general. Here's a cute little trinkety box for someone who loves the blue as well. Not quite my style, but hey. Here's a little abstract art with the rose blush pink color. And this candle was absolutely amazing. It gives me end of summer, fall vibes. Very tangerine-y. And by the way, I picked up not one candle to purchase. Not one. Okay, so here's some more little decor stuff that I saw sitting on the end cap, and I just thought I would share it with you. Here's some little half moon shaped wall shelving situation for like little trinkets or whatever. And I didn't get the prices of any of this stuff because I really wasn't interested in it. But there's a cute little hourglass with some turquoise sand in it. They do have some really cute rugs options here at Biglots, but even though I thought all of them were really pretty and they were broheel, I think most of them were, they just wasn't quite what I'm looking for in like the style. I did see one at Home Goods though, and I'll show you that in that shop with me. And I'm not sure how much those rugs were, by the way, so my apologies. If you're in Biglots, check them out. And other little trinkety stuff that I just wasn't really interested in, but I'm just sharing it with you. They have a lot of little rustic farmhousey type stuff, as you can see off to the side. I did like these little shoes to wear down to the pool area, honey. $8, super cute. Super, super cute. This is like their little fashion section for the beach area. I'm just assuming beach area, but I don't know. Cute little hats and beach bags and stuff like that. That's a cute little lounge set, I think. It would be cute to just toss on and lounge. Here's your mirrored clock. I see these all the time at, well, I used to anyway, at like Burlington Coat. Around the same price, $15, $16, give or take. But I actually like that one down there. That's really, really cute with the insides of the clock showing. I like that one. Okay, so that was the Big Lots. And I'm going to take you guys down there to my Ross, which I already know don't have crap. And right beside Ross is Home Goods. So then I'm going to take you to Home Goods, which will probably be 2 separate videos just because. So hopefully you enjoyed what was in there in the Big Lots. So stay tuned for the next video.